Want tools that actually make work easier, not harder? These 14 picks are more than gadgets. They're problem solvers built for real jobs, tight spaces, and fast results. Let's get into it. Number 1. When precision matters, reach for the 25 feet. Stainless steel tape measure, the durable companion built for the toughest jobs and everyday tasks. Designed with a clever hollow structure, water and sand rinse right through, keeping the tool clean in gritty, wet conditions. This isn't just a tape, it's a measuring powerhouse. With a double-sided scale and fraction markings, it delivers quick, reliable readings for inside and outside measurements with incredible clarity. No flipping, no guessing, just accurate results. Crafted from rust-proof stainless steel and ABS, it withstands rugged use without bending or breaking. The smooth, electroplated finish protects hands while offering long-lasting performance. Whether installing cabinetry, leveling flooring, or sketching out a backyard dream, the 25-foot reach gives room to measure with confidence. Ideal for carpenters, designers, architects, and everyday heroes who build with care. From interiors to construction sites, this tape measure brings reliability, accuracy, and pride to every measurement. Number 2. When details matter, this 5-piece countersink drill bit set delivers with precision and confidence. Each high-speed steel M2 bit is crafted for smooth, clean cuts through wood, drywall, plywood, MDF, and even plastic boards, perfect for cabinetry, decking, and repair work. Sizes range from 1/8 to 3/16 inch drills with matching counterbores, giving tailored control for screws that sit flush with perfection. The spiral chip flutes and razor-sharp cutting edges ensure fast, neat results that feel effortless. Adjustable depth stops fine-tune every cut, and the added plastic collar protects your surfaces from marring. Whether you're mounting hardware or refining joinery, every hole speaks craftsmanship. With a secure 1/4 inch hex shank and universal compatibility, setup is quick. Just lock it in and start creating. The compact storage case makes this set travel-ready, while the hanging hole design keeps organization easy. Small in size, big on performance, this is precision you can carry anywhere. Number 3. Precision meets versatility with the O-School Slab Flattening Router Sled, a dream setup for woodworkers shaping live-edge slabs, river tables, and custom workbenches. Designed for 3.5-inch routers, its robust aluminum alloy rails glide effortlessly on the XY axis, while the 3.5-inch router lift enables smooth Z-axis height control for perfect surface leveling. Flatten wide panels or small projects with ease. This jig adapts with adjustable dimensions up to 79 inches by 34 inch and handles material up to 3 9/16 inch thick. Say goodbye to uneven surfaces and hello to flawless consistency. The built-in dust management system with brush and 2.5-inch vacuum port keeps the workspace clear and cuts clean. Whether removing finish or correcting warped slabs, this sled delivers milling results traditional planers simply can't match. Ideal for professionals and passionate builders alike, it turns raw wood into stunning, flat masterpieces. From rustic charm to precision elegance, this jig is the trusted path to perfection. Number 4. Strength, stability, and convenience, packed into one smart design. The King Rack Folding 3-step ladder brings confidence to every step, whether changing a bulb, reaching top shelves, or tackling DIY projects around the home. Crafted from heavy-duty steel and tested to support up to 500 pounds, this ladder folds down to a slim 2.64 inches, making it easy to store in closets, corners, or under furniture. Wide, anti-slip pedals and textured rubber handles offer secure footing and steady grip with every climb. The exclusive horseshoe-shaped rubber feet make full contact with the floor, preventing slips and protecting surfaces. Once opened, the safety lock activates automatically, and the reinforced back support adds peace of mind, especially when reaching higher spots in kitchens, garages, or offices. Fully assembled and ready to use, this ladder makes everyday tasks safer, simpler, and surprisingly empowering. Wherever help is needed, King Rack steps up beautifully. Number 5. Smoother cuts, faster results. That's the promise behind the Saker Plus drywall cutter. Engineered to tackle 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch gypsum boards with precision and ease. This cutter glides effortlessly for clean 24-inch cuts that stay true and sharp. No chatter, no splits, just buttery smooth lines that look professionally done. With a foldable, portable design, it's ready wherever the job takes you. No assembly, no hassle. Slide in the blade, adjust the depth, and cut confidently across standard boards and cardboard. Laser-etched dual scales in imperial and metric ensure accuracy you can see, eliminating guesswork and saving time. And those 19 metal-assisted wheels? They grip firm and roll smooth, keeping edges straight and alignment perfect with every pass. Whether working in tight corners or wide panels, the Sacre Plus delivers pro-grade performance in a compact frame. For renovators, builders, and serious DIYers, it's the cutter that moves like a pro and feels like a win. Number 6. Confidence in every cut. This 20-volt brushless drywall cutout tool spins at 30,000 RPM, delivering precise, fast cuts with minimal heat so blades stay sharp longer. The high-torque brushless motor and 2.0 Ah battery, fully charged in just 50 minutes, power through drywall, plywood, PVC, laminate, and more. Lock-on switch frees hands for overhead or awkward angles, while weighing a mere 1.98 pounds ensures fatigue-free work. Dust is captured before it drifts, up to 98% pulled into the detachable shroud's 0.49-inch port for a cleaner, healthier workspace in homes, offices, or tight renovation zones. Quick change colettes and integrated hex wrench swap bits in seconds, keeping momentum alive. Dual LEDs illuminate cut lines in dim corners, guaranteeing accuracy. Adjustable base controls, cutting depth up to 19 millimeters, perfect for outlet boxes, wall openings, and custom cutouts. Compact, powerful, and dust-free. This tool empowers precision, efficiency, and comfort on every project. Revolutionize workspace productivity and safety effortlessly. Number 7. Nothing kills craftsmanship like a misaligned joint. The Jorgensen 12-inch parallel bar clamp locks boards together with 2,200 pounds of unwavering force, guaranteeing gap-free seams every time. Its industrial-grade steel bar refuses to flex, keeping panels perfectly flush during cabinet door glue-ups, cutting board assemblies, and furniture repairs. When separation is needed, sliding the jaw reverses it into a spreader in seconds, powering pieces apart with the same smooth precision. Soft grip handles make high-torque tightening effortless, while the quick-release trigger lets the clamp reposition instantly without losing alignment. The soft landing system prevents the sliding jaw from dropping when carried vertically, protecting both tool and workspace. Included glue separators and a clamp stand keep setups clean, lifting the bar off surfaces for tidy storage. Replacement jaw pads and a 2-pack configuration ensure readiness for every build. With the Jorgensen parallel bar clamp in hand, flawless glue-ups become second nature, and perfect results are always within reach. Number 8. Experience smooth, professional pipe bending without headaches thanks to the Duratec Tube Bender 3-in-1. Breathe life into copper, brass, aluminum, and thin steel runs. Bends for plumbing, heating, automotive, and DIY projects on demand. Calibrated markings guide, left, right, and offset curves up to 90 degrees, ensuring every bend matches exact specifications for leak-proof joints and flawless installations. Gray powder coating defies rust in humid basements or outdoor sites, while robust aluminum construction keeps weight minimal and durability high. Ergonomic handles cradle hands and reduce fatigue during long sessions. Tight spaces feel manageable. From radiant heating loops to custom handrails, this tool transforms complex bends into controlled motions. Its 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 inch bending capabilities adapt seamlessly to a variety of tubes, eliminating the need for multiple tools. Portable and easy to operate, the Duratec Tube Bender elevates every project, saving time, boosting precision, and empowering makers to craft with confidence. Number 9. Safety first. The Tesman TWS 322 wire stripper detects live voltage without contact, flashing red instantly and sounding an alarm at 70 to 250 volt. Perfect for electricians and DIYers, it reveals live circuits before stripping begins, turning uncertainty into confidence. No manual hole selection. Self-adjusting jaws handle 10 to 24 Aruban Florence cables, from Ethernet to multi-core, flawlessly. The thumbwheel tensioner and adjustable stop block set core lengths precisely, protecting fragile conductors and minimizing rework. Cut, strip, test, and crimp. This 4-in-1 tool consolidates every wiring task into one smooth operation. High-carbon steel blades stay razor-sharp, slicing copper, aluminum, and sheaths with effortless precision. Ergonomic, non-slip handles cradle hands through long jobs, banishing fatigue. Battery-powered and built to last. The TWS 322 becomes the go-to companion on job sites and home projects. Make every connection safer, faster, and more reliable with this all-in-one wire handling powerhouse, built with durable craftsmanship and lasting durability. Number 10. Furniture that stands the test of time starts at the corners, and these stainless steel connectors deliver the unwavering support every piece deserves. Heavy-duty triangular brackets lock joints at a perfect 90 degrees, preventing sagging shelves, wobbly tables, and loose cabinet doors. Installation becomes effortless with pre-drilled holes and included screws. No measuring headaches, no drilling guesswork. In minutes, drawers glide smoothly and chairs feel rock solid, turning everyday use into a reassuring experience. Crafted from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, these 12-corner braces shrug off moisture, spills, and years of wear. From bedroom dressers to kitchen cabinets, each bracket blends into any decor with a sleek, minimalist silhouette, no bulky hardware to spoil the view. Versatility shines in every home improvement project. Reinforce workbenches, secure bookshelves, or revive heirloom furniture without a full rebuild. When corners stay true and edges stay tight, every meal, every story, and every memory around the table stays perfectly framed. These connectors don't just hold wood together, they keep craftsmanship alive for generations to come. Number 11. Every leak or loose fitting stands no chance against the Speedwalk's 9" ear clamp pliers. Engineered for 1-ear and 2-ear clamps, these pliers seal CV boots, coolant and fuel lines, air systems, and compressors with rock-solid precision. Drop-forged chrome vanadium steel delivers unbeatable strength, resisting flex and wear even under heavy-duty use. PVC-coated handles ensure a slip-free, comfortable grip, reducing hand strain during extended repairs. A generous 24.5mm opening accommodates various hose sizes, making swift work of clamp installs and removals. Anti-rust oil protects the tool from corrosion, keeping it ready for harsh garage environments and outdoor job sites alike. From automotive maintenance to plumbing fixes and industrial applications, these pliers guarantee consistent, drip-free connections every time. When reliability, comfort, and durability unite, each clamp becomes a lasting seal, and every task feels effortlessly professional. Number 12. From car repairs to furniture builds, the Toolant ExtraLong ratcheting wrenches handle every nut and bolt with ease. Each wrench flips between flex and fixed offset heads. Reach recessed fasteners in tight engine compartments, or secure brackets behind cabinets without repositioning. The 90-tooth ratchet completes turns with just a 4-degree swing, speeding up repairs in cramped engine bays or under sinks. Heat-treated chrome vanadium steel delivers 20% more torque than industry standards, conquering stuck bolts without slipping. The ultra-long handle amplifies leverage to loosen stubborn hardware with less effort, while the ergonomic grip keeps hands comfortable during lengthy jobs. 16 metric sizes from 8mm to 24mm cover automotive, industrial, and household tasks, from brake line maintenance to bicycle tweaks and appliance assembly. Stored in a durable tray, these wrenches stay organized in any workshop or toolbox. For the DIY enthusiast, mechanic, or thoughtful gift giver, this set transforms complex repairs into successes. Number 13. Tired of struggling with stuck AirRaators? These carbon steel removal wrenches glide on and off effortlessly. No more frustration or ruined finishes. Simply adjust the jaws from 21.5 to 27mm, clamp onto any standard kitchen or bathroom faucet, and twist for instant access to clogged or worn AirRaators. Crafted from rugged alloy steel, each wrench packs pro-grade strength into a lightweight tool. The rubber-coated handle fits the hand like a glove, turning awkward plumbing chores into a comfortable, controlled experience. Whether cleaning mineral buildup or swapping in a water-saving model, these wrenches restore low-flow faucets to full performance, silently and safely, without scratching chrome or brass surfaces. One wrench tightens securely for leak-free seals, the other stays ready for the next replacement. Perfect for plumbers, renters, or DIY weekend warriors, this 2-pack transforms faucet maintenance from a dreaded task into a quick, satisfying fix. Enjoy smooth water flow and the peace of mind that comes with professional-level repairs every time. Number 14. Imagine tackling every trim and molding project with unwavering confidence. The Moonum 2-in-1 miter measuring cutting tool streamlines your workflow, eliminating the tedious transfer of angles between templates and saw. Twin adjustable arms lock in any angle from 85 degrees to 180 degrees with razor-sharp accuracy, so baseboards, crown moldings, and pipeline frames fit flawlessly the first time. Integrated guide pins and a stable bottom plate align your backsaw perfectly, delivering error-free miter cuts up to 30 millimeters wide. No more guesswork, recuts, or wasted material, just smooth, seamlessly satisfying cuts in a single stroke. Whether you're a carpenter, DIY enthusiast, or architect, this versatile gauge turns complex corners into seamless connections. From special-shaped recesses to tight skirting profiles, it's the secret weapon that elevates projects from good to breathtaking. Embrace the joy of unmatched precision and transform every corner into an ultimate showcase of craftsmanship with Moonum's all-in-one miter cutting tool.